Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage the video contents on YouTube Kids, how you can add or remove videos. So if you're giving your children YouTube Kids, you can actually manage the content personally. So YouTube Kids will allow you as parents to choose which videos or contents watch by your kids. So in here, what you need to do is open your YouTube Kids app and then go to the settings by clicking on this lock icon at the bottom right corner. So this is a parents only page. So to continue, you need to answer this multiply problem, because not kids allowed in this page. So you can just answer this, click on submit, and after that you'll see this panels in here. You can go to settings, tap on settings, and then choose the profile of your children. If you have more than one, just choose one. For example, I'm going to choose this, and here you need to answer the password, so I'm going to skip this part. Okay, so after you enter the password, you can manage the profile in here. So this is my, let's say this is my kid profile. You can scroll down, and here there will be this add or remove video. So here your child will only be able to watch content that you have approved. You can pick videos or channels, and you can also select collection from our partners or YouTube Kids team. So your child won't be able to search on the app. So let's click on add or remove videos, and in here the YouTube Kids will show you some of the suggestion for your kids. So you can just click on the plus icon to add it to the profile. For example, I'm going to add this and this. You can also add this. You can see if it's checked, it have been saved into my kids profile. But if you want to remove it, you can just click on this again, and it will be removed from the YouTube Kids, my YouTube Kids. You can just click on done after that, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.